Hi guys, I finally made it back to editing my videos from Hong Kong, and this is our day 2, part 2, Disneyland with my Ate Mai. Hi Ate. This is so surreal. Like, I've only watched Disney on TV, and eto na yung train station. It's already feeling so magical, guys. I can't even explain. So, yes, after all these years, we finally made it to Disneyland. I'm so excited. And parang yung camera ko, palinga-linga ako everywhere. Everything is just so fascinating, and I'm so loving this moment na parang bumalik talaga ako sa pagkabata, and I remember all those times that I've watched Disney Channel. I love Disney Channel so much that I was really a fan of their show Art Attack, and they've sent me goodies. I remember, if I'm not mistaken, it was still based in Singapore at that time. So I got t-shirts, I got stickers. I can't remember the rest, but it was so surprising, and it was a birthday present. And I love Disney. So, here's the entrance to the resort. Kami lang ng ate ko because Jack and La already went here last year, and so they decided na mag-ocean park naman. So, after Ngongping, we separated ways. So, kami ni ate, andito kami sa Disney. Actually, we wish na nandito talaga the whole family. And,
Si ate, at may ears na ako.
ayan. So, at this point, we've already been through the first store. So, we picked our accessories. Kasi halos lahat ng nakakasabay namin sa train, noong umaga pa lang on the way to Hongping, may ganyang accessories na, and they're so cute. So, sabi ko, kami din talaga pagpasok.
Ano nga yan?
So, I didn't imagine na sobrang magiging masaya. Well, I know that I will be happy with my ate, pero kasi nga, sanay kami na lumalakad with the whole family. So, finally, kami na namang dalawa. Just like when I was in college na kaming dalawa lang din lagi. And to be frank, I've forgotten how happy it is to bond with my ate like this. So, yeah. Syempre, life happened. Nagkaroon ng mga pamangkin. So, bihira na. And usually, pag kami namang magkakapatid, 4 naman kami. Tapos ngayon, 2 lang kami. And ang saya. So, pareho kaming hindi makiride. So, don't expect us to try rides, especially the extreme ones. So, ayan. Eto na, papasok na talaga kami. So, at the beginning, except that it's all in Disney characters, para lang siyang pumasok ka sa Enchanted. So, sa Enchanted Kingdom, we're not really expecting so much. Although, alam namin, level up to because this is Disneyland. Pero iba talaga yung feeling. Kasi parang lumakad ka talaga again to those childhood memories. And in fact, how can I even explain this? For a while, I've been on an art block mode. So, I tried to paint, pero wala talaga yung eagerness to do it again until I've been here sa Disney. Kasi, actually, my artist phase, my creativity started with dreaming of becoming a Disney animator. So, ganon. Art has always been present in the family. I grew up watching my ates draw paper dolls, ganyan. But it was when I watched Lion King, yung mga Disney animations that I dreamt na, oh my gosh, gusto kong gumawa din yan. And so I started watching art lessons. Ayun na nga yung Art Attack. So, sa Disney, watching Disney talaga nagsimula yun that I wanted to be an artist as well.
Nakapila.
And so, it's all coming back. It's all coming back. Char. Kumanta pa talaga. Because I'm so happy. And actually, while I'm making this voiceover, sinipon pa nga ni. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung boses ko dito kasi from time to time para akong kinakapos ng hininga sa pagsasalita.
Starbucks. Ha? Hindi nga pwedeng iuwi ang balon.
So, kung pwede nga lang iuwi yung balloons, inuwian ko na si Gareth kasi siya yung mahilig dyan. So, ganon. All the way, parang magugustuhan to ni Kiang, magugustuhan to ni Leggy. We're missing the kids. Though they're not so kids anymore. So, we wish you were all here, guys. Alam ko naman na family, kayo din ang manonood ng video na to because I'm actually making all of these videos para meron tayong mapapanood in the future while reminiscing all of this. And just so you know, every step of the way, we wished you were here. So, ayan na, natatanaw ko na yung Disney Castle. Oh my gosh, I'm Disney Princess mode. Ayan na, gusto ko na ulit maging si Sleeping Beauty. Eme! Kaya sigurong hilig kong matulog. Kasi baka pagising ko si Sleeping Beauty. Char! So, yes, this is the Disney effect. You wanna be creative. You wanna be princess style. It's not really far from reality. You can make that happen. Dreams do come true. Watch muna tayo ng show. Papahinga ko muna yung galabi ko. Wait lang.
香港嘅朋友，一齊投入奇妙派對，讓快樂盛放啦！香港的朋友，一起投入奇妙派对，讓
Nagustuhan nyo ba yon? Well, let's get going. I really loved it. So, I'm not really a huge fan of Mickey kasi I'm more of a cat person. But, it's still Mickey. And those are the Disney princess. And we are so ready. So, first, this is It's a Small World. I don't really know what to expect. But, let's see. So, heads up lang, I took this video using my phone kasi bawal ang camera with a stick. So, the X5 was with a stick. And bawal. So, nagpanik ako, tinago ko bigla yung X5. So, I took video. So, this might appear wobbly. But this one is so nice. Pero in the long run, parang sa bandang dulo, parang nasobrahan na ako sa manika. Parang creepy na. Pero it's cute. It's showcasing a lot of cultures. It's a representation of so many cultures and it's so beautiful to watch. Mas maganda sana kung gamit ko yung X5. But this one is nice as well. Enjoy, guys. I'm liking this. It's so cute. And that's the end of the small world after all. And eto na nga, apakahaba ng pinila namin ni ate para ma-meet si Elsa at si Anna. We were wrong. Oh, we were so wrong. Kasi we were looking for the Frozen ride, you know, not the meet and greet. And akala namin ito yun. So, in-enjoy na lang namin. Hindi kasi kami talaga fan ni ate ng extreme rides. So, I have vertigo. So, I'm not really fond of it. So, in-encourage lang kami ni Jack na itry yung ride na Frozen and we ended up here. So, obviously, we're not kids anymore. If Frozen came out at the time na bata kami, we would have enjoyed it a lot. But, yeah, it's cute and all. And it's such a short meet and greet. Pang kids lang talaga. And obviously, the princesses were entertaining kids. So, even the effects are for kids. Yeah, but nasa Disney tayo eh, so whatever. And ito na nga, so we found it. Andyan siya sa loob. Muntik pa akong madapa kasi everybody was running towards it and nakitakbo kami. And muntik pa talaga akong madapa. So, ito yung line, yung queue papunta sa rides. And I just can't help but appreciate the interior. It feels more of a Pirate of the Caribbean than Frozen. Anybody else having the same vibes? Parang feeling ko lalabas si Jack Sparrow at end. I am the captain of the Black Pearl Emerald. So, this time, natutunan ko na natanggalin sa stick yung X5 so that I have a better video. So, I had it handheld with the magnetic mount. Ang hindi ko napaghandaan yung panggugulat sa akin ng ride na to. So, let's go!
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love, but full of frozen heart. Indeed.
Oh, the sky will be blue, and you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer. Da-da, da-da, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. The high roller coaster successful together just makes sense.
So, ayun na nga. I'm not exactly sure kung na-damage yung camera ko. Buti na lang hindi. If you saw that red flash, parang feeling ko, buti na lang din talaga hindi siya nabasa. But anyway, let's continue exploring Disney. So, pumunta kami dito sa park ng mga Avengers. And, sorry, hindi namin tinry yung rides here because it's an extreme one. So, yeah, no adventures here. Ikot-ikot lang kami ni ate. We wanted this one kasi, ayan si ate girl, alok ng alok. Photo op with Iron Man. Pero, ang tagal, parang walang nangyayari. So, yeah, picture with Iron Man. So, sure, but ang tagal hindi gumagalaw. Parang wala nang nangyayari. I don't know what happened there, if there was a glitch, technical, whatever. Pero lumabas na lang kami. Kita mo, madilim na nung lumabas kami, ate. Ayan. Binabasa namin.
Rider. Feeling ko din na nadaya na naman tayo niya ni Jackie. Pinapasakay tayo sa mga nanggugulay.
Ayan. So, ito na lang itatry namin dito. Magbaril-baril kami ng emerald. Ayun, enjoy din naman. Walang panggugulat, ever. Walang life-threatening. Life-threatening. Yeah. If you don't know kung gaano ako katakot sa rides, there was a time na I was already seated at the flying disc at Enchanted Kingdom. And nung nakikita ko na isa-isa nang sinasara nung attendant yung seatbelt, nagtatakbo ko pababa. Ganon. Like that. So, after that, we went to the souvenir shop. So, eto na yon. Everything's so golden and so nice. Ang ganda-ganda. And doon na kami nabudol ng bonggang-bongga. By the time that we came out, it's almost time for the show. So, patapos na ang aming Disney adventure. Was it worth it? Very much so. Was it bitin? I really think so. And it would have been more enjoyable kung kumpleto kaming family kasama yung mga pamangkin ko. Kasi sila talaga yung mga adventurers. If you've watched my video at Mother's Wonderland, talaga naman si Meggie. Tita, tara, ano yun? Cable car. No, it's not a car. Basta may horseback riding. So, yun. I bought some pasalubong for my loves. May mga love-love na pamangkin. Ganito karami yung tao. The whole show is uploaded on another video. Hindi ko na siya sinama dito because it's 30 minutes long. And that's us, Ate and I. So happy. And that's it. Thank you, Disney. Thank you for the very wonderful experience. I love you. Bye.